Today for Tiny Clips, we are going to see how to automate cleanup process in Windows. In the system tray, which is located at the end of the taskbar, click on the Action Center icon. If you don't find it, right click empty space on your taskbar and go to Taskbar Setting. Scroll down and click on Turn System icon on or off. In the list, turn on Action Center. Now you will be able to see the icon. In the Action Center, click All Settings. In the Action Center window, click System, then go to Storage. Click on Configure Storage Sense or Run it now. There are two configurations we need to set here. The Storage Sense is used to automate the cleanup process. Turn it on and select the frequency daily, weekly and monthly, or you can select during low disk space. Based on the frequency set, system will run the cleaning process. For low disk space option, system will trigger only during the low disk space detection. Under temporary file section, tick delete temporary file that my apps are not using. You can also enable recycle bin and down folder cleaning if you wish. If you choose 14 days, system will keep last 14 days files in recycle bin or download folder. However, it will delete everything else. Based on the configuration set here, my system will delete temporary files every week. It will not delete recycle bin files or download files, and they are set to never. Now you have successfully automated cleanup process in your system. Thank you for watching.